How to identify the trend of any cryptocurrency market with the help of Gemini AI. First of all, you need to sign up on Gemini AI with your Gmail account. Then navigate to the Trending View website. Choose the cryptocurrency whose trend you want to know. Select the time frame for the trend analysis according to your trading preference. Select the time frame. Now download a screenshot of this view and return to Gemini AI. Upload this screenshot. And type here what is the trend of this chart. And search. Wait for the results. Now see the magic. Just like at this moment, Bitcoin trend is upward. You can find the trade of any cryptocurrency. I hope you found the video very helpful. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Crypto Kalbi.